Hi, I'm Richard with the Grass Pad, and today we're going to talk about our idiot-proof lawn care program, why we use it, and how it works. We put the program on a bright yellow sheet with easy to follow, idiot-proof steps. The program starts in the early spring and goes through the early winter. We're going to feed the lawn when it's hungry. We're going to prevent the weeds. We're going to control the weeds. We're going to allow a fall overseeding to mimic Mother Nature and to keep your lawn thick, lush, and green. Now that you've had an overview of the program, let's dive in a little deeper.
If you like your lawn thick, rich and green and soft and free of weeds, then come on down to the Grass Pad. We're the folks you need. Come on down to the Grass Pad. The Grass Pad's high on grass.
As we mentioned earlier, prevent's step one in the idiot-proof program. We want to put the prevent down the middle of March to the middle of April, and we need to make sure that we water it in with ½ inch of water. The prevent contains both professional slow-release turf food and crabgrass preventer. The professional slow-release turf food is going to allow your lawn to break out of winter dormancy and give you a nice spring green up. The crabgrass preventer actually creates a vapor barrier on top of the soil that prevents grassy weeds from ever becoming a problem. However, if you're spring seeding or dormant seeding, consider using our seed-safe options. For more information about seed-safe crabgrass prevention, follow this link. Step 2 is weed and feed, professional strength weed control plus lawn food. Weed and feed is applied to your yard when the world turns yellow with dandelions. This usually occurs sometime between April and June. Weed and feed needs to be applied to a wet lawn. This could occur after a heavy morning dew or after you watered your lawn. We want it to fly out of the spreader and stick to wet leaves. For best results, do not mow 2 days before or after the application so the weeds are nice big targets and catch lots of weed and feed. We don't want to have any rain or irrigation for 2 days after application because we don't want to rinse the weed killer off the leaves. Step 3 is our booster shot of prevent. This can extend our control of crabgrass protection through the summer. It's important for this application to go down between the middle of May or early June, or about 8 to 10 weeks from the first application. All right, when the heat of summer is gone, it's time for an application of Renovator. This is going to maximize your lawn's fall growth recovery cycle. This application is usually applied sometime between late August and early October. This is also the time that you would overseed your lawn to imitate Mother Nature. To learn more about fall overseeding, follow our link above. Renovator is a food source for your new seed as well as your existing lawn. If you're applying new seed, apply the Renovator the same day. Make sure that you water it in with ½ inch of water within the first 48 hours. If you're seeding, apply a second application of Renovator within 4 weeks for maximum root development. The most important step to finish the season strong is Snowman Winter Root Builder. This is going to be applied right around 4 weeks after the last application of Renovator. The Snowman is going to help build strong disease resistance, drought tolerance, and give you an earlier spring green up. And there you have it, Uncle's idiot-proof lawn care program. If you have a question about something you didn't see in the video, find us on Facebook, visit our webpage, or use the Ask Uncle link below. Come on down to the Grass Pad. We'll see you soon.
You want healthy green grass like this? Start right now with the Grass Pad Idiot Proof program.
The secret to deep roots and green grass
All year long. Over 200 pounds, professional formulas
for the sod farm and golf course.
for you, the kids, and the dogs in your own backyard. The Grass Pad Idiot Proof program starts today with the big
Yellow bag of prevent. Simple and easy.
spread it and forget it.
The Grass Pad's high on grass.